Welcome back to Hot Car Track and 2022, and happy Australia Day to everyone out there. That's January the 26th, 2022. So here we are. This is everything's just sort of sitting in place at the moment, and this is the idea and plan that's I will then build from where we are. What can I tell you about it? I did put up a 15-second video just from that part there all the way down. So let's have a look at the track a little bit closer. I've still yet to make this section, so I need a 4-lane start gate, which I'll design and make, and that'll go into a 90-degree turn there. So then the cars come all the way down to the first turn, and then they hit this section, and this section's a little bit unique. These are 45-degree turns, and the cars actually do a lane swap. So the outside car here on this outside lane stays on the outside, but then he comes into the reverse 45, then he ends up on the inside. Okay, and I'll get to this corner in a second. Just want to come down to this corner. So everything being equal right here at this turn here, all cars have travelled the same distance, thereabouts, you know, within centimetres. So there's really not a great deal of advantage to an inside or outside lane at that point. It's here where the inside and the outside will be a little bit different, along with this first 90-degree turn, if you follow me. Okay, so I just need to add up the how far the cars travel on the inside and the outside. It's not much. I haven't measured that yet, just to see, so I might make an adjustment again somewhere else to see if I can do a lane swap, or I was thinking about a finish line that was kind of staggered based on the length that they travelled. I don't know, or I make this 4-lane start gate, I adjust that so each lane's a little bit different, so they don't all start off at the same plane, they sort of start off staggered. Does that make any sense? I hope it does. It does to me. But yeah, it is difficult when you do have a lot of extra corners in the track. But that's why I put this, excuse me, I'm still recovering. I haven't been well. And it's not COVID. Yeah, that's why I put this little turnaround here, so I could, you know, sort of even everything up in the playing field. This section here is interesting. Why is it interesting? Well, I actually had it set up with two of these. These are called the drops in there. So I'm still considering using the drops, and I think the beauty about this is I'm going to be able to take this section out, and I can put the drops in there, or I can put chicanes in there, or I can even put in another switchback, or another 2 45-degrees in there. But that would make that a disadvantage if I did that. You know what I'm talking about. But yeah, overall, I'm really rapt with how it's turning out. It looks like a complete and utter pigsty and a pit at the moment. But give it another week, and I'll get a little bit closer. Everything's just sort of sitting, so if I was to push it over, it would go. I just need to extend this table out a little bit further. But the timing's pretty good. Oh, another thing that really irks me with this Hot Wheels track. You know, I've never raced on a Hot Wheels track before. I've always used the Fat Track. Let me just grab this piece of track here. Another thing that irks me, I don't know whether it's a new version of a Hot Wheels track or what, but so here's the stuff that I've bought. Really shallow walls, like, you know, not very high. Versus this other stuff, which I've only got a few pieces of. The track wall there, nice and high, you know, so the cars stay in it. It's a bit hard to sort of get set up. Hang on a sec. Yeah, there you go. I always thought Hot Wheels track was this stuff, but or you could buy this stuff, but you can't. It's all this new stuff. It's all this really low profile wall stuff. So that's going to cause a few issues, and I'll show you where. Since posting that video, I've done a few more test runs, and cars are flying off here, and also here. No, sorry, here. They're flying off here when they come around this bend. So I think what I'm going to have to do is make some 4-lane straights. I haven't got one here, I don't think. No, but look, all of my walls are really high, so cars, you know, they stay in it. So I think what I'm going to have to do is these areas where cars tend to fly off, I'll have to put a couple of my pieces in. So that's going to set me back, you know, a few more days, because, you know, to print 4 lanes, man, it's it takes a long time. Like this here, that took 13 hours. So there's 13 hours, and let alone the 60 hours on that. So anyway, there we are. We're getting closer. Each day is closer. We're running really behind schedule. Do apologise for all the people that have sent in cars and waiting for races to happen. Fantastic just took a lot longer than what it did, and obviously everything else that's happened in 2022, and you know, just getting back to the diorama on this. I'm not going to put mountains and go to, like, you know, to a huge amount of effort with this. I'm going to try and put as much of that brick wall in that I had before, because I don't want to waste all that foam and all the effort that took me. So, but I'm thinking, you know, hopefully this brick wall will sit in here, and up here we'll have some of that fake grass, and also through here, and obviously this is pit area here, down through here, so I'll be able to hopefully repurpose some of that foam. Oh, that's the other thing I've got to do. I've got to make a 4-lane merger into the single lane just there, so that's going to be interesting. I need a bit more space from that last corner to the end here. I do have a little bit more just over there, so I might have to just extend that a little bit, but I've left that sort of as a triangle, so I can actually get in here and grab a car or something. In here, it's very difficult. If anything goes off behind, I'm not going to be able to get it. I have to use my long-handled stick thing. Anyway, I've rattled on enough. I've taken up enough of your Australia Day. So enjoy your day, suck on a few coldies, and I'll be back when I'm a little bit further into this build. Catch you later.